ഞങ്ങൾ പാലിക്കും.
मु तंबी दुरई मानी सांसद मु तंबी दुरई नेक्स्ट स्पीकर मानी सदस्य एम तंबी दुरई
I am supporting the appropriation bill which brought by the central government. At the same time, I have seen that certain allocations, especially I want to concentrate upon the police department. The police department is very important, even though law and order is state subject. In Tamil Nadu, the law and order is the worst condition. They are not modernizing the police force because the government is, central government is ready to give fund to modernize the police forces also. That scheme they are not at all implementing. And go on, they are accusing the central government, they are not giving the money to them. See, whatever our finance minister and prime minister said, the allocation of fund more to Tamil Nadu is more during the Indian government. This is the present regime, under Modi regime. But the schemes which are given by the central government, state that now Stalin government claims as they are implementing. In the morning also, our minister said they are food distribution. 5 kg of food, that is either wheat or rice, given to the poor people. But the state government there, which is ruling now, DMK government, they are not giving a receipt. What the minister said? Why they are when the state central government giving fund, they are not bringing to the notice of the public, which the India government is doing. At the same time, sir, because I said land problem is very poor, and also the election time, they announced so many schemes they are going to implement. The DMK government could not fill up all these things. That is what we are raising. But therefore, now they are going to, there is speculation, they are giving some kind of amount for the election is coming. They promised of giving 1,000 rupees for all the 2 crore card voters. But they are not given. That they are not given. What they promised at that time, they failed. The DMK government failed to do all these things. And they are given the gimmicks, but they are accusing only central government. But what they are taxed very heavy. Electricity bill also increased, and for property tax high. Everything they could not give any relief. Tamil Nadu people, they are taxed heavily. But whatever the tax they have done, they are not implementing the program. But Edapadi Palaniswamy, when they ruled at the time, he brought so many schemes for the people. Even Madam Jayalalitha period, we have brought schemes giving free bicycles and laptops, and also so many free food and everything scheme. But when the DMK government, all the schemes were brought by the benefit for the Tamil Nadu people, they stopped it. That is the, but they are telling some other name they are telling what is happening. It's a very pathetic condition. Tamil Nadu government is 8 lakh crores the loan they brought. They are accusing ADMK government. Sir, 8 lakh crores the loan they borrowed. But the schemes are not implemented. We don't know.
बिल पर बोल रहे हैं, आपको डीएमके में नहीं बोलना है.
The Tamil Nadu people are cheated by the DMK government. This is going on, sir. Please take action. That is what I am requesting. It's a very serious matter. The election is coming. They are giving false promises. The people must not believe all these things. I think they are going to be changed. Our ADMK government, NDA government is going to come. That should, I'm telling. This DMK government coming election, they are going to send out because they cannot fulfill their promises what they said. Thank you very much.